Here's a cost breakdown for our master bathroom renovation. Keep in mind this is my own house, so I didn't charge any labor. If I were to charge for labor, it'd probably be around 20 grand. I spent about $45 on dump fees for the demo, and then I actually sold the old vanity on Facebook Marketplace for $250. $20 for plumbing parts to move the vanity over. $16 to move the tub drain to the center of the floor to accommodate the freestanding tub. The dual shower head valve was $160, and the parts to run the shower head lines were about $45. $18 for lumber to frame the shower wall. $170 for all set and uncoupling membrane for under the tile. The tub faucet trim and valve was $130. Spent about $70 on drywall and mud. Piecing together this 9-foot vanity was $1,500. Can lights and wire was $45. $50 in boxes and wire for the vanity sconce lights. The sconce lights were $60 each, so $240 total. And the vanity mirrors were $95 each. $130 to build out this wood window trim. $670 in pebble tile for this wall, tub surround, and shower floor. I used 2 bags of grout for $60, and then $35 for some tile sealer, the 511 impregnator sealer. I waterproofed my shower walls with 7 go boards and 3 go board sealers for $410. The Flow FX drain base was $50. Another bag of all set for $38 and $36 on mud bed mix. $105 for waterproof membrane and the corner pieces. $290 for the floor tile and thin set. $30 for the grout. This shower wall tile was pretty pricey. I spent about $1,450 for the tile and thin set. These shower shelves were $50 for a 2-pack. Then I spent another $30 on the grout for the walls. Silicone to match the grout was $16. Then I pieced together the shower head and wand for $110. And I got the drain cover for $40. Bathtub was $650. And then we did the reflective window tint for $75. The chandelier was $210. And then for trim, caulk, putty, and paint, about $380. The toilet was $160. The sink faucets were $80 each, and the countertops were $650. Bathroom hardware was $50. The doorknobs and hinges were another $50, for a grand total of $8,402. Took me about a month to finish. What would you pay for a bathroom like this? Also, if you're a contractor, what would you charge for a bathroom like this?